the road is occasions or else patay. Yeah, because last night we were stuck in the snow, and we're lucky that some locals here tried to help us.
32 kilometers and then maybe 30-40 kilometers and then we take the ring road.
Okay. It's a little bit different from yesterday because now it's 9:45, so you could see already the daylight. But yesterday it was really, really dark because of the storm. So sunrise today is 11:20.
Logalan has police. The police landing on Logalan.
The silence grew so big it pushed a hole straight through the sky. The ground beneath us caved in every time. So God, hear you cry. All our cowards curling up in smoke like a flame into the night. We didn't mean the stuff we said in bed that broke the lie.
Go there. Yeah. It's like popsicles. Started the waterfalls and we just stopped there for around 30 minutes. Not that long because we didn't have much time and the daylight is too short. And we still have so many attractions to go. They don't have that much snow here, so good for us. It's easier to drive.
Hi. So that's the, I forgot the name.
Yeah,
I know I forgot the name. So,
yeah.
something with S. Okay. We
Assignment.
will edit later. Okay. Oh, it's really beautiful. So.
I think it's wider
It's wider, yes.
than the other one.
Much wider.
The
See here. Wow, also nice. Sure. The ice very, very cold. Ooh.
and here some people were boarding there.
Yeah.
Going upstairs. Oh, we will not go there because we didn't have much time.
Yeah.
I'd love to see you smile again. Watch your eyes light up the room. Feel the sunny days caress our skin when we begin to fall.
is the way. So that's the way.
So fun. That's the one.
One of the Dohelis. One of these monuments. Das ist aber, wie dick meine ich, aber jetzt schwer zu sagen. Aber nur.
We are done for today. Time check, 3:37. We will go now to our hotel and rest.
See? Hello and good morning. After a stormy night, we have decided not to continue our trip to the east of Iceland because of the current weather conditions, which are very, very bad. We will try to go back now to west in order to get closer to the airport day by day. Many roads are already closed due to the wind is blowing the snow and block the roads very, very fast. But we hope we can make it at least to Hella and find a hotel there.
Straßengemachter Trip 1 sind wir hier verabredet. Die Zeit jetzt ist 4 Minuten nach 12. Ja, und heute soll ja final der Deckel drauf auf den EU-Gaspreisdeckel im Brüssel-Beraten darüber die Energieminister.
6.7.
Bisher hat man ja viel diskutiert.
Somebody's coming.
Die gleichen Argumente für und wieder ausgetauscht, monatelang.
No, I just saw it now.
Die Staats- und Regierungschefs letzte Woche den Auftrag entfallen haben, einigt euch endlich. Birgit Adams ist unsere Korrespondentin.
Ah, jetzt wird's besser. Gott sei Dank. Have fun there. So,
Wird es denn heute?
So hi, we are stranded now because of the blizzard is again here. So we had to change our plans again. So yeah, we'll see. So maybe we have to stay here in Hella. At least we made it back from Vik.
Yeah.
So that was roughly 95 kilometers. We made in, I don't know, 3 hours, something. Yeah.
Yeah.
And really
Around.
with very, very low, sometimes very, very, very low visibility.
Sometimes we
And
stop.
It's yeah, it's really, really strong wind, and even the car was shaking. So when we were more in a side of the building, so now it's more calm because we are directly parking at the supermarket. So we have a shelter area now for us. So okay, we'll see where we stay overnight. We don't know yet.
In the car.
First of all, in the car, yes.
Oh, no, pee-pee.
With the hope maybe to make it to Hellforce, but we'll see.
It's blocked there. Already there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's blocked now.
In the
So I don't
rotunda.
know if they change it today or tomorrow. So, but let's wait maybe
Depends.
1 or 2 hours, and then we try to get some accommodation here in Hella if we can't make it further to Selfoss. Yeah, that's the next bigger town
Tawan. Yeah, because they
where we
have-
could stay. So
they
we
have
try
more snow
to
also
we
there.
will try to really to make it more and more closer to the airport, because we are afraid that we can't go back on Friday if we got stuck again
Then
here.
patay.
Yeah.
Okay. So more update later.
Finally we are at the hotel, which is very nice. Many people are stranded here. See that it's really amazing. This